Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about deleting pages in Confluence. Whether you need to clean up old content, get rid of test pages, or just tidy up your space, you'll know exactly how to safely remove pages by the end of this video. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the page you actually want to delete inside your Confluence workspace. Make sure you're on the right page. It's easy to open a similar page by mistake, so double-check the title or even glance at its content to confirm. Remember, once you delete a page, all its content goes with it, so take a second to be sure. When you're ready, head to the top right corner of your browser window. There you'll spot three little dots arranged vertically. This is the More Options menu. It's a bit like pulling out the secret compartment in a toolbox. It reveals extra actions you can take, including deleting the page. If you don't immediately see these dots, make sure you're not editing the page. You need to be in view mode for this menu to appear. Click the three dots and you'll see a drop-down list appear. Among the options you'll find Delete. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Confluence will give you a warning prompt, and this is actually a really helpful safety net. The prompt will alert you if there are any child pages underneath this one or if there are links that will break. Why? Because pages in Confluence often act like folders in a filing cabinet. Sometimes they hold smaller subpages, kind of like documents tucked inside a manila folder. If you delete a parent page without removing or moving its children, you could lose more than expected or break links elsewhere in your space. Now, if you're deleting a page that does have child pages, Confluence will give you a choice. You can either delete just the parent page or if you want, choose also delete child pages, wiping out that entire branch. Be sure about this, deleting hierarchy means everything below that page goes into the trash too. This can be a real time saver if you're cleaning up old projects or outdated documentation. But pause for a moment and make sure nothing important is still nested inside. If the page you're trying to delete is still in draft, say you started writing something but never published it, you'll see an option called Delete Unpublished Page. This is basically cleaning up before something even hits production. It's permanent, so that draft will be gone for good. Occasionally, you might notice the delete option is missing from your menu. Don't worry, this just means you don't have permission to delete pages within that Confluence space. Confluence is pretty strict about who can remove content to keep things safe and organized. If you need something deleted, just reach out to your Confluence administrator. They'll be able to grant you permission or handle the deletion for you. Once you confirm the deletion, the page isn't immediately erased forever. Instead, it moves to your space's trash. Think of this like your computer's recycle bin. If you make a mistake, your space administrator can restore the page unless the trash gets permanently purged. So there's a bit of a safety net if you rethink your decision. And that's really all there is to it. Deleting pages in Confluence is straightforward once you know where to look, but it always pays to pause and review what might be connected to that page before saying goodbye. If this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or got stuck on a step, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more easy step-by-step Confluence tutorials. See you in the next video.